leads to all psychological complications, some depression, anxiety, phobias, so like that. So these negative this stress is caused by the hormones, negative hormones which are secreted during stress, cortisol and adrenaline, noradrenaline hormones. So we have to next go to the stress management. So what is the proper stress management for our day-to-day life? One is exercising. So exercising each day for about 45 to 1 hour, which could be an indoor exercise, floor exercises, dancing, yoga, something like that. Outdoor exercises, walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, all outdoor exercises. They definitely those things will reduce the daily amount of stress in our mind. So sport activities, sports, if you join any sports activity, basketball, volleyball, tennis, cricket, any sports activity, that definitely will reduce the amount of stress in our mind and body. And this sports activity also gives a circle of friends, good friends, that will further reduce our stress. An excellent source of relaxation is yoga. If you do yoga work for 45 minutes to 1 hour per day, the same time, same place, that will definitely reduces a lot of stress in our mind. So what does yoga do? Our cells and tissues, all parts of the body are innervated by two types of nerves. One is sympathetic nerves, the another is parasympathetic nerve fibers. Sympathetic nerve fibers are activated by endocrine hormones, adrenaline and noradrenaline. These two hormones are fight, flight and fright hormones, these noradrenaline and adrenaline. These hormones activate our system from brain to foot. So in the morning, when we get up early in the morning, adrenaline, noradrenaline are secreted. These hormones, these two hormones activate us for our daily life, day-to-day life. Some amount of these hormones are necessary for our speeding up daily, day-to-day life to achieve certain things, to achieve our goals, challenges in our life. But if the hormones, sympathetic hormones, adrenaline, noradrenaline becomes more in during stress, these sympathetic hormones are released more and more. That will cause increased activity from head to foot. So brain waves are increased, heart rate from 72 to above 100, respiratory rate from 16 to some 25, 30. So intestinal motility is increased, all blood supply to the muscles are increased. So these two hormones are called adrenaline, noradrenaline hormones or sympathetic hormones. These sympathetic hormones are called fight, fright and flight hormones. So whenever we get some fear, whenever we want to fight, whenever we want to run, so these two hormones are very important. But when these two hormones are secreted during stress more and more, it will be more harmful to our heart. So these two hormones will reduce the heart rate and reduce the blood supply to the heart. So thereby leading to all hypertension and myocardial infarction, heart attack. So தமிழ்ல ஒரு சேயிங் இருக்கு, வள்ளுவர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு, தன்னைத்தான் காக்கின் சினம் காக்க காவாக்கால் தன்னையே கொல்லும் சினம். So whenever we get stress, anger, these two hormones are secreted. Annaitan gakin sanam ga. If you want to save yourself, you have to keep anger away. Otherwise, this anger will kill you. So during anger, these two hormones, adrenaline and noradrenaline hormones, are secreted. These two hormones are more harmful. It will raise the blood pressure. It will lead to all heart complications and heart attack. So better to avoid anger. So when we do yoga, what else is going on? So when we do yoga, so the other side of the parasympathetic system. So one side is sympathetic nervous system is going on, other side is parasympathetic nervous system, which acts against the sympathetic nervous system. So parasympathetic nervous system slows down from the brain to the foot. So all activities are slowed down due to these parasympathetic nerve fibers. These parasympathetic nerve fibers are activated by hormones secreted in the brain, melatonin and serotonin. So these two hormones are supposed to be released from the pineal gland, endocrine glands. So these endocrine glands, there are endocrine glands from head to abdomen. There are pineal gland, pituitary gland, so thyroid gland in the neck, thymus in the chest, and pancreas and adrenals in the abdomen, sexual glands. All these glands are endocrine glands. So endocrine glands means there is no duct to deliver the juice from the duct to the blood. It is directly, these hormones are directly entering into the bloodstream. It's called endocrine glands. These endocrine glands are stimulated by doing yoga. So no other exercise stimulates these endocrine glands, which are situated in our body inside. So these endocrine glands, when they are stimulated, serotonin and melatonin hormones are released. This gives a soothing effect and it slows down all our activities from brain to the foot. So brain waves are slowed down. Heart rate is from 72 to it becomes 68, 65, 60, 56. So heart rate is slowed down. Respiratory rate from 16 to 12, 10, 8. So respiratory rate becomes slower down. Intestinal motility is reduced. So all our activities are reduced. It will give a calm and serene and quiet effect on our brain. So this yoga is an excellent exercise for stress management. So this is the best exercise as far as I am concerned. Yoga Day is coming on 21st June every year. So we celebrate Yoga Day on 21st June. So I have been doing this yoga for the last 40 years. Every day some 45 minutes to 1 hour. So it includes pranayama also. There are 4 types of pranayama. One is Nadi Suddhi, another is Kapalabdhi, another is Anuloma Viloma. There are 3-4 types of pranayama. So along with yoga, if you do pranayama, so that will give definitely a spiritual appeal to your mind, as well as it definitely reduces our day-to-day stress, and we will be able to meet all our challenges in life very nicely and very sportively. And another thing I want to tell in this juncture is time management. We have to, in the morning itself, we have to record our workings per day in a serial manner, so that we can carry it out in timings. Each work is done in timings. So this time management is very, very important. That will definitely reduce our day-to-day stress. So, and suppose if the environment is very irritating, very toxic, then we have to change the environment. We have to seek some other job, or so we have to change our friendship. We should have a close circle of friends, good friends, and then family, stable family, happy family we should have. So all these things will definitely reduce our stress level in our mind and body. So thank you, friends, for the opportunity. So I stress again more and more. If you do yoga and meditation, pranayama for 45 to 1 hour per day, that will definitely boost our energy, give an inner peace and serenity, inner well-being. All these things we can gain only by doing yoga. Thank you, friends.
Thank you. Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes.
Bhagirath, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, thank you, doctor. Now
Okay.
the session is open for the session is open for queries. Participants are requested to raise the questions.
So, hello. I have
Yes,
a question.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay, sir. So,
yeah.
as sir was mentioning that exercises and sports activity will boost our immune level as such,
Yes.
why
Yes.
don't government make a compulsory hour of sports? Like we are in schools, we have got 1 hour of sports compulsory for school students. Similar ways, can we have a written petition where we can submit to government insisting that 1 hour of yoga or sports or pranayama mandatory for all organizations, like in colleges for students, faculties, non-teaching staff?
Definitely. It will, that will 45 minutes yoga or outdoor exercise definitely improve the students' performance. Concentration, increased concentration, physical activity increases our immunity against all infections. So it will give a very good friends for them. So definitely a positive energy will be there. Definitely we can recommend, and we should follow some 45 minutes yoga or outdoor exercise every day for all students. They have to practice.
To put up this particular idea to the government, can we write a petition? And what is your suggestion, sir? What and all we can include for a petition when we are submitting it to the government?
See, they can be off from cell phones, for some 45 minutes to 1 hour. Their activities, outdoor games and sports activities means they are away from the cell phone habits. So all the students nowadays, they are only going for only cell phone games and other things, talking, chatting. They are wasting time. So definitely this will improve their physical activity, mental concentration, and increase the immunity. So definitely 45 minutes yoga or outdoor exercise is recommended for all students. It's a very good idea. Definitely you can write.
Thank you, sir.
May I ask a question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir, good evening. I'm Dr. Avnish. I'm calling from GLA University from Mathura. It is in Uttar Pradesh.
Suresh.
So my question is that do you think that in this pandemic, when the people are started losing their jobs, they are facing much of the stress in their everyday life, So
Yes.
how they could be, mentally recovering from these situations, like, because see, it's very difficult to explain the people that this could be the way yoga and meditations they should be adopt as a lifestyle. But somehow when it comes to the real life, when you have to manage your family and other life demands, then managing stress and feeling it's so worst to the people. So, what you would be advising the people who are in these positions where the organizations are asking them to leave and they are being fired by the systems, how they can cope up with this present situation?
Sir, see these exercises and yoga, you have to do it for your lifetime. See, not only for this
Hello,
to tide over this corona season, it has to be
hello.
done for your lifetime. So they have to allot timings for exercise and yoga. All people, all students, if they start in their early age, definitely that will boost their energy, their positive energy. They will attain their goal. They have full concentration in their job, in their studies. So definitely for students, we can definitely we can advise 45 minutes to 1 hour outdoor exercise or yoga. It is a must. We have to recommend. But all other family people, if they are more than some 45 years or 50 years, they can do some exercise, but definitely that will reduce if they start doing some yoga or indoor exercise, definitely that will reduce their mental stress level. Definitely it will come down. But economic, we have to, then they have to seek some other job, or that is their own problem. They have to see it. But definitely this indoor exercise, yoga or meditation or some floor exercises or outdoor games, definitely that will reduce their, see, once if they overcome this mental problem, then they will overcome economic problem also. They will become more physically and mentally, they will be more stronger.
Hello, sir. May I
Yes,
ask one question? I'm Dr. Priyanka Rathi from Indore.
yes,
Sir, as you are talking about mental health, yoga, and meditation,
yes,
my personal worries are about the young generation as they are too much into media, social media, influence, and other things. Uh,
yes,
it is my personal opinion that we should give these youngsters who are doing their graduation, post graduation counseling through our teachings as well. What is your opinion regarding this? Because they are not easily accepting yoga and meditation. Either they prefer to go to gym or jogging or something like Pilates and all. They are fascinated toward fancy things rather than the actual traditional and workful thing.
yes.
What is your opinion?
Yeah, yes, madam. It all depends upon the individual preferences. We have to give chances for their choice also. We have to consider. So, suppose if you teach yoga for some 100 students, if some 50 students are interested in yoga, let them continue. Other 50, if they are interested in some other game, but all students must practice some indoor games, outdoor games, yoga, meditation, all. You see, exercising for 45 minutes to 1 hour for all students is a must. We have to make it as a compulsory for all students. Then say, but their choice may be different, but we have to give them choice. That is their preference.
Sir, what
But
about the counseling which should be given while we are teaching as well? There should be some counseling
see, the teachers are the
colleges.
role models for the students.
Yeah,
So
because
teachers must, yes,
yeah, yeah.
teachers must practice this 1 hour yoga or 1 hour games, outdoor games or indoor games. If their teachers are doing, then the students will follow.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Thank you
Dr.
so
Amit Jain
much.
is speaking.
yes,
Sir, Dr. Amit Jain is speaking.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I have a question. Actually,
sir.
in this pandemic time,
Yes.
online programs are much increasing, and our students are feeling mental stress, physical
Yes.
stress.
Yes.
So I think online programs, the working hours of online programs must be
Yes.
certain. This is my opinion, sir.
Mm. Online programs.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Definitely.
Actually, online programs maybe keep as an alternative, sir.
Maybe
Our
useful, sir. Very useful. These online classes, yoga classes, meditation classes. Definitely, it will be helpful, sir. Definitely, it will be helpful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening,
Yes.
sir.
Good evening.
I'm speaking from Assam.
Yes.
Sir, my question is that what is the best way to avoid stress according to you, sir?
What is the
What is the best way to avoid stress in our life, sir?
base rate for?
Sir?
It is not audible, madam.
Yes, sir.
Madam, can you repeat it again? Can you repeat it again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. My question is, what is the
Yes.
best
Hello.
to avoid stress?
Not clear.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
No, I'm not. It's not audible, madam.
Sir,
Okay.
one question that,
Yes,
sir,
sir. Hello.
one question. My question is, sir,
Sir. Yes.
this is Dr. Kannan from
Yes, sir.
Tamil Nadu.
Yes, sir.
My question is,
Yes.
what is the benefit of walking in eight-shaped line, sir?
Oh, sir. Actually, they say it gives some. It relieves all respiratory problems. It gives relief in vertigo and so something like that. There, it improves the blood supply to the heart. They are telling so many things, sir. But whether they are all proved or not, I don't know, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
So this side Manisha, sir. Actually, I want to know what are the effective ways to manage the stress among the students.
Yes. Stress among the students. See, if they learn yoga and meditation for 45 minutes to 1 hour, madam, definitely their stress level will be coming down. So teach yoga and meditation to all your students. It will be a very good relaxation technique.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
This
Yes.
is Kairali from Polytechnic College, Daman, sir, near to Mumbai.
Yes,
I
sir.
have one question, sir. Now it is a mechanical life, daily going college and
Yes.
taking care of the children
Yes.
and job,
Yes.
everything, and also doing research in. So too much of stress seriously. Particularly ladies who is going job and take care of the children, having too much of stresses, sir. Actually having no time to do yoga and exercise, pranayama, like that you are telling, sir. We can't spend too much of time. Whenever morning wake up, we are doing some work, homework, household work, and doing like that only, sir. So we are having only 10 to 20 minutes. So in this 10 to 20 minutes, which is very if you do this one, it's reduce your stress, you will be relaxed, like that. If you are suggesting means
Yes.
10
Yes.
10 to 20 minutes, something, 1 or 2, you tell me, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. There are the yoga exercises are too many, madam. It could not be covered in 1 hour or 2 hours. If you do yoga even for days together, you can do. But the only thing is, if you learn some 4 or 5 yoga asanas, some techniques, some 5 asanas, if you do it for 20 minutes, then that will be more sufficient to reduce your daily stress level, madam. You can do Surya
Name?
Namaskara.
Okay, sir.
Surya Namaskara. That you can finish it some 5 to 7 minutes, you can finish it.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Another thing is Pavana Muttasana.
Sir, once again, sir, repeat, sir.
Pavana Muttasana.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Yes. And next one is Manduha Asana. Manduha Asana.
Mandubhasana. Okay, sir.
Manduha Asana, yes.
Okay,
Then Ostasana.
okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Ostasana.
Yeah, hearable, sir.
Like
Yes,
a camel.
sir.
Camel posture is Ostasana. Another is Savasana.
Okay, sir.
Another asana is Savasana. So if you do, yes, 5 asanas in 20 minutes, that will be more than sufficient.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. Together with whether I need to do that meditation also, sir? It's not
So,
necessary.
meditation, if you do Omkara, if you chant Om, if you start from your bottom,
Okay, sir.
bottom of your spinal cord, you start Om, reciting. There are 6-7 chakras in the spinal cord, some Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraha, Anahata, Visuddhi, Agni, and Duriyam.
Okay.
There are some 6-7 chakras in the spinal cord. So you have to start Omkara from Mooladhara, and then you keep on raising it and you finish it with Im. Om. Top of the brain, situated the pineal gland, that is.
Sir, at that time, I will just close my eyes and I will tell to that Om.
Yes,
correct.
you have to be sit in a straight position. Your spinal cord and vertebra should be straight. You have to look straight. You have to close your eyes. You have Chin Mudra in both hands.
Hello.
And then you have to put it over the thighs. This Chin Mudra hands, you have to put it over the thighs. And then you have to chant Om. Om. Some 5 times, 7 times, if you repeat, that will be some more than sufficient meditation, madam, per day.
Whether I need to inhale the air, sir? Air.
Yes, first you have to inhale and then start Omkara.
After that, I will. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello, sir. Yes.
Sir, I am Assistant Professor Goswami from Assam, Guwahati.
Okay, sir.
I have a question, a simple question. Like the college where I am working,
yes,
it's comprising of all the streams like art, science, and commerce.
Yes.
And as of now, like total, we have more than around nearly 3,500 of students.
Yes.
So the problem is that as you have said, that we should include the asanas or the pranayamas or whatever, or Surya Namaskar.
Yes.
So we don't have that much of plenty of space. Okay. So how can we accommodate the things in these particular slots in our own daily day-to-day programs? So can you just guide us?
Sir, how many students are there?
Around nearly around 6,000 plus.
6,000 students.
Yes.
Oh.
Because we have all the 3 streams: art, science, and commerce.
No problem, sir. Whichever field they are studying, no harm, sir. But if you start teaching them some 15-20 minutes yoga, some 1 or 2 yoga asanas, then that will be more sufficient, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, audible, sir.
Yeah, I am speaking from Assam.
Hello.
So I am a lecturer in one of the colleges in Assam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I just want to ask that in order to concentrate in studies, say in
Yes.
our institution, students
Yes.
feel that they are not able to concentrate properly in studies. Their minds always are not focused. They always get diverted.
Yes.
Whenever they study something or whenever we teach something in the class, they always get diverted. Although
Yes.
they are physically they are present, but they mentally their minds are diverted all the
Absent.
time.
Yes.
So can you
Yes.
suggest what can be done
Sir,
to overcome
sir, if you teach them Omkara and Savasana,
Okay.
Omkara, Pranayama, and then the Savasana, one asana called
Okay, sir.
Savasana. Savasana, it takes some 5 to 7 minutes
Okay,
Savasana,
okay.
and then 5 to 7 minutes Omkara, some 15 minutes. You can definitely, if they do some 15 minutes, these two exercises, Omkara and Savasana, definitely this will improve their concentration. Slowly they will tend to studies, sir. They
Okay,
will coming up from these cell phones and other things.
Yeah, sir. Omkara will be more powerful, no, isn't it, sir?
Yes, definitely
Yes.
powerful, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hello.
any more questions?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, please.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Sir, this is Dr. Vinod Kumar, Director of Physical Education, Rajagopal Polytechnics. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Tell me, sir. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Not audible, sir. Hello.
Participants, please,
Hello?
one by one, you ask questions. Yes. Sir, from Priyathi.
Hello. Hello, sir. Good evening. Sir, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah. Any more questions? Audience, from participant side, please, one by one, you ask questions.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, you
Hello.
ask. Yeah. You ask,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hello.
You hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, it's audible, sir. You ask, sir.
My father is a 75 years old. He is having a diabetics.
Yes.
Can you suggest what type of yoga can give to him? Even though he is a bypass surgery, also he has done bypass surgery.
75 years, so that he is walking, sir.
Yeah, sir. He is walking. He is doing exercise.
Oh, then see some 3-4 exercises, sir. Sir, you can do pranayama.
Okay.
Yes, Nadi Siddhi, Omkara, Analoma Viloma,
Okay.
Bhastrika. These
Okay.
4 pranayamas he can practice.
Okay, sir.
And simple some asanas like Savasana, sir. Savasana.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello.
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 Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
Yeah. Actually, me too. Also, Dr. Vinod Kumar. I'm from biotechnology.
Tell me, sir.
Actually, I am having some stress relevant to my family oriented.
Yes.
So I'm taking some BP tablet. Also, may know what's the yoga can you do for me, sir? I'm 36 years old.
36 years.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Sir, you can do all asanas. There are multiple asanas in yoga. You can do some. By what time you come to the office, sir?
Sorry? Can't
What
understand.
time you come to your office in one time?
That actually I'm a faculty, sir. Now our faculty da biotechnology faculty da. So maybe normal pathina 9 o'clock entry login பண்ணிரணும்.
Then okay, sir. Sir, you get up by 6 o'clock.
Sure.
Get ready for 1 hour some yoga practicing, sir. 6:30 to 6:30 every day. You have to allot 1 hour for yoga practice.
Okay, sir. Whether walking is helpful for this, sir?
Oh,
Walking morning.
Yeah, you
morning
can.
Walking pona maybe helpful ஆகுமா sir?
கண்டிப்பா you can do walking, sir. No problem, sir.
Okay, okay. ஏன்னா நான் இப்ப கூட வாக்கிங்ல தான் போயிட்டு தான் உங்களோட செஷனை கவனிச்சேன். So 6 to 7. So increase பண்ணலாம். increase பண்ணிக்கலாமா இல்ல இதே டைம் ஓகேவா? Daily 1 hour.
1 hour walking போயிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. That is very good, sir. அதே போதும், sir. If you go along with your friends, then that will be more nice.
Oh, okay. நான் சிங்கிளா தான். Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
More relaxation.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, thank you.
Some or half an hour, if you give time to yoga in the morning, then that will be more useful, sir.
Okay, sir. Whether yoga is beneficial to do at the evening, sir?
Evening empty stomach. See, this should be done in the early morning or evening empty stomach, sir. That is more important.
Okay, so 7 o'clock it's okay.
Breathing exercise, yoga in empty stomach you have to do it. Early morning, in the evening 6 o'clock, empty stomach you have to do it. That's
sure. Okay, 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 okay. Thank you. Sir, 1 hour போதும்ல sir walking போதுமா இல்ல நான் இன்னும் increase பண்ணிக்கணுமா?
வேணாம் sir, 45 minutes on.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. That's a nice session, sir. I'm just interacting. It's a nice good. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir.
Hello, sir.
Sir, one question. That is, somebody told that the walking with a group of people is not useful physically. Is it right or not, sir?
Yes. See, it all depends upon the persons whom with you are walking, sir. If you are walking with good people with a good intention of doing exercise, then it is good. Suppose if they walk for a coffee, then it is not good. So if you go around for some 30-40 minutes and if you drink a cup of coffee with some vadai or something like that, then it will be neutralized. So, but going with friends always good, sir. Suppose if you are not motivated on that day, your friend will call you, come for walking, children. They will motivate you. So some 2-3 friends, good friends, is very nice to go for walking, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Any more questions? Any more questions?
No, sir. No.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, no, sir. Your voice is audible. You can ask the question.
Tomorrow, I want to add you to yourself, sir.
Yes.
That yesterday, you can see in the newspaper Hindu that the Indian government is going to add a physical education as a curriculum.
That's very nice.
Yesterday, that sports minister has spoken through the Physical Education Foundation of India. They recommended that it should be an extra curriculum, it should be a curriculum. In coming years, the new education policy they are going to implement, sir. This is for the kind information for the participants.
Yes. Thanks for our Prime Minister Modi, sir. It is a very good decision, sir. It will definitely improve the concentration as well as physical ability of the students. Definitely, it will improve in their exams and all, sir. So definitely a welcome decision, sir. This one.
Thank you, sir.
Any more questions? Any more questions?
Sir, is it possible to get his phone number, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah, okay, sir. I think that I just can make a mail to you. I'm having your mail. So I can, is it okay, sir?
My number is 99.
1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. I just note it down.
Yes.
99
44
44
88
88
74
74
79. Dr. Subramanian.
99 44 88 74 79.
Dr. Subramanian, Coimbatore. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, any more questions? Last for the okay. Just before going to the valedictory, one important announcement for all the participants. Please check your email for feedback form, and all the presentations by means of YouTube link and PowerPoint also have been attached. And please be patient until receive the certificates. Surely we'll get certificate. And now I would like to request Mrs. Risha Suchata, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sri Nehru Mahavidyalaya College of Arts and Science, to propose the vote of thanks. Nisha, ma'am?
Yes, I'm available. Thank you, Bhagiraj, sir. Dear participants, kindly mute your audio because it's quite disturbing. I'm really thankful to today's chief guest, Dr. K. Subramanian, Managing Director of Shanmugapriya Hospital, Coimbatore. He's actually, I said in the beginning of the event that he's such an apt person for the program. And he has proved it because he was really patient enough for more than half an hour only to answer the questions. It's even though his speech was short, it was really informative, but he was really patient enough to answer all the questions in the midst of technical issues he faced. Very, very thank you, sir. My words will be failing if I do not thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, madam.
And I would like to record my sincere thanks to our principal, Dr. B. Subramani, who has been the driving force behind all of us in order to stage this 7-day FDP program with success. And every day we had 250 participants. The room was full. And the participants, it was not just a number. All participants were really interactive and with the resource persons. And really we received good feedback from all the participants. Thank you, participants. And I thank the organizers of the FDP, the actual people who were behind the screen to stage the show effectively from 8th June to 15th June, 7-day. Dr. Bhagiraj, HOD, Department of Microbiology of our college. Dr. Abel Tangaraja, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science of our college. Mr. G. Vadivel, Assistant Professor of BCA Department. All these were the actual pillars of the show. They have been working behind the screen in order to run the show. They have made everything possible for us, for the participants and for the speakers also. For all the 7 days, we had rich, varied resource persons who have been really patient enough and who have been really rich enough in knowledge to address the participants effortlessly. Thank you very much to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I would like to repeat the announcement which has already been made by Dr. Bhagiraj. Participants, you need not panic about your e-certificates. And all registered participants, you have already received an email link of the feedback form. You can fill it and you will receive the certificate as soon as possible. And all the 7-day programs have been recorded and the link for which have been sent to your respective mails. Please do watch if you want to watch them again. Thank you. Thank you, Bhagiraj sir.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you to all.
Excuse me?
Yes. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I don't have such a mail. Hello?
If you have registered, you would have really
Madam, actually,
received.
Yes, ma'am, I have
yeah.
registered, but I don't have the mail on my mail account.
You will
Madam,
receive it.
actually,
You will
the
receive.
mails are being started. The mails are being sent. So gradually you will get the mails because a day we can't send all the mails. So even tomorrow
Okay,
also
sir.
you can receive the mail. You don't worry about it.
Okay, sir.
Batch wise, we are sending
Yeah,
the
thank
mail.
you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for such a organization.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, organizer. Thank you so much. Thank you for the program.
Thank you.
Okay, Raj.
Doctor, thanks a lot. Doctor, thanks a lot.
Thanks,
Thank you. Excellent,
Okay.
excellent, doctor. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful session.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very informative session, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We are expecting
It
more
was a
Thank you.
wonderful faculty development program. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Very informative
Thank
activity.
you. Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
Dr.
Thank
Rajesh
you.
Sain. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Very
Thank you, sir.
informative session, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank
Thanks a
you,
lot.
sir.
Thank you,
It was
ma'am. Dr. Manisha, ma'am.
wonderful and
Thank you.
informative. It was just an informative and wonderful session of faculty
Thank
development
you.
program. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the well-organized program. Very nice, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Wonderful session. It is
Thank
end
you.
of
Thank you.
our page.
Thank you, Dr. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Madhuraj, sir. Thanks a
Thank you,
lot.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ini my dinner.